Hi friends, welcome to my channel, it's Yulia Fior. In 1920s today we are traveling with you and I was searching some hairstyles for 1920s, not only evening hairstyles, not only Marcel wave. So I received so amazing cloches, like 2 of them, and thought like what else hairstyles I can use for the clothes, and what else hairstyles I can use for my hair, which not curled. I need to do it fast and looks in and to look in the 1920s decade. So this, like, I made a little searching, here are the photos, and I found that they was using braids, and mostly 1920s girls, they had a very short hair. So how to achieve that goal, I thought, and made some experiments which I will share with you, and you can try them on your hair. I have a middle hair, so like all my hairstyles today, it's 2 will do on a straight middle length hair, and if you have a cloche, it will be very fast for you to get into that decade. I think it's really nice. I'm very happy to try something new again. Like, I'm analyze my videos and so that I'm almost telling this every video. I tried it first time. It's really true, because I'm trying to search something interesting for you and for me too, to share with you something new, and to be the first one who will do experiments, and you hope will be inspired to do them too. So okay, let's start. So as you see, I just have a straight hair, some middle parting, and then I'm just roll them up and fixing with the bobby pins. So as you will be wearing cloche, it doesn't matter how it looks like behind, like from the back, because honestly it won't be visible. So most important part is the front part. So I don't have a lot of hair, and I just made 2 rolls like close to the face. So the goal was to simulate a bob cut, and I think I made it. Actually, as you see from the back, it looks not really nice, but it's not important. If you won't be, of course, taking off your hat, and actually adding a hat and little accessories, and this is the result. I think it's really lovely and looks really like I have that haircut. Really nice option for 1920s hairstyle. Next, second hairstyle you saw at the start, and now I will show how I did it. It's really pretty easy as well. So just middle parting, and I made 2 braids from both sides using a little silicone rubber. And also I'm trying to make my braid like more volumed, so like to make it look better. Doing the same on the other part. And then I'm rolling up as well my braid, hiding their ends, and with bobby pins fixing it. And doing same in the other part. So like you need to put all your braid like to the front, because you will wear a cloche, so everything need to be to the front. So I made even like almost on my ears, as you see these braids, fixed them there, and adding a second cloche
By the way, my outfits and clothes are from Beyond official. I will add a link on this shop. It's really only one shop which making daily outfits 1920s as well. It's really nice.
Hope you like this video, and we'll try 1920s for a day outfits as well, not only evenings and not only Gatsby parties. And also I have a little announcement. I will soon have in my Instagram a giveaway with Babylon official giveaway for 2 pairs of this amazing incredible shoes in black and in black and white colors. So stay tuned and don't miss this chance to win amazing shoes, and by the way, amazing quality. Have a nice day. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to follow me for more inspirable videos, and have a nice day.